Hey everyone, today we are exploring the Real Techniques 9-piece Wander makeup brush set for travel. This versatile collection features midi-size brushes perfect for a full face on the go. You get high-quality tools for foundation, eyeshadow, and a convenient travel makeup bag. Each brush uses UltraPlush synthetic bristles designed for seamless application with liquid or powder formulas. These professional tools are completely vegan and cruelty-free to ensure ethical beauty every single day. Pack these lightweight brushes in your gym bag or suitcase to maintain your routine anywhere. Experience Premium results with these durable aluminum ferrules that make blending your makeup absolutely effortless. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.